Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to manage multiple locations on our Google Maps element here on the Wix Harmony editor. Let's get started. First, click on your Google Maps element and then go to Manage Locations on the action bar above. Here you should see all of the locations you've added previously. To manage a location, click the three dot button next to it, and here you'll see options to edit it. So you can edit its address, edit its title, description, or link if you wish to. And then you can also see the option to delete it, just in case you need to remove a certain address from your Google Maps element. And if your address is not the one that's centered on the map, then you can click on the three dot button and you'll find an additional option here, which is recenter map. So when you set the recenter map on a specific location, it should be the one to show here on the Google Maps element. And basically that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. And if you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.